I'm almost there. I had to go get something. Who is your brother? Hi guys. Don't mind me. Hi Nola. Hi Simiki. Hi my sister Rollins. Bieleka. Hello everyone. How have you guys been? Gosh dang it, I have missed you guys. I have not been on here for a while, and the reason is because ikai fakakuli my Facebook gitu ke o te Facebook because ko hanga kakahi tala, but that's okay. Ko FAKATOKANGA te kana tol fangakila kana tol. Anyways guys, check this out. So much to talk about today. Oh, so anyways, I'm just trying to eat my yogurt, my lunch. Ko the fuck my ngawe. But I get nofo ni api and then the tama ngawe ke ange. So I thought te hu fa glaivi ka toki alfa ngawe. So today's a very interesting day. So I just wanted to talk about fakakau gonna go Olympia ko sei for me like aloposa ke mea. But before I go on any further, como tolu everybody, you have to send me your email. Send me your email in my messenger, and I did all the files and pictures. And I'm going to send it directly kako Olympia he. Ko so me like aloposa ke tali ko he ke ilo. Hey, do you know what? I'm going to tell you this. Tamaha ko ngatunga ane. Tamana ka ko ala faiteri hai ko na ko pe ke ngau mai ko ye ke matola ha ke kiloto ko ai ho me ake ai ke sai he. Because you know what? For so long I wanted to post the taha and stuff, but I didn't do it because my brothers told me to hang ai he. But now, was tamaha ko ngatunga ane ka ke faiteri ha me ko ai hang ai pa ko me ko tatai. Mo fe ma ata mo send ma mo email mo inbox ma ka ko na spend ko hanga send ko ta ka mo tolu. I'm gonna take your stuff Olympia. I'm gonna send it to the mea koi tonga he and news ko koi tonga. But say ko para kai tae. Ka te ko ko fere ne we pa mo website pa mo kulupu ke. O sen ko alo tolo ko ta ho mea ai ke na so ko ta ki ai. He kona ko sta ma ko tunga ne ka ke faiteli ha because it's been almost 2 months malu'i my sister-in-law. Kai pe ke ngau ko ke we mai ho tapari ke. O ska pa alo fa bibe ka ke ta winsa. Tapari usimene take ilog me ke wai ole na tolo ke me newspaper ka tonga me ko cuz I'm in all their pages. Yeah bitch, that's where you missed the memo that me I'm fucking hella nosy like that because I need to know what the fuck I'm talking about before I come on here and get with you. So you know what? I'm gonna send all your stuff. He kagala ai mai pesi na fagu hanga Facebook ata palio aka he mau kitua. Te wala we send ko take he ukalapu all the cover people, all the cover houses. I'm going to send it all to them, and I'm going to email it to everybody who give me their email. Because I only held back because my brothers told me not to do it. But now my brothers are tired of your shit because you don't want to go and do what you're supposed to do. Ustapari, furei. Alo fa pipika ke taha fa e he time na ho mahano tore ki tua. Peke alko fa pipika mai me winsa ko ha. Ke ta manini ho mene. So that's what I'm telling you today. I'm done with you because my brother already told me I can do whatever I want to do. That's why I didn't post your picture here. And you know what, bitch? Because to me, it's not becoming here. So you know what? I was saying, I'll start. I gave you how long? It's been what? Maybe a little week tolu. And see, all this time, I ask my Facebook because my cousins, my first cousin, oh, sige ay bia oskapa ke ay ko ke alo tu mai mo Olympia he tu mai mo Olympia ko hai me Olympia ko hai me ko ka ko he ke ko mai me ai me apa hale ba wi ke ka faki ko mo me oskapa ke te fure ko ai ko algo tu mai me Olympia tari ko te ho ka ko he ha we ai ke alo ai ke la mai ka ma tolo pe ke ai ma ha fan fo ide ai usimene se pe ko ka ko he pa tu ai ke la fo ai ke alo fa mata la ta pe he na fa i sai pe na pa fa ai me a ko ha. Hena ulak ala mani patung alfa ene kema hino ka koe. Kage hange ko koe he. Tuku. He ke ai me ko na he manatu o simate teti he. Mana start pe ka moto te al mai ni fa teti o tu ka fa ke. Pa ko le ateni ke ta hine e mau mehikitanga he. Usina lemu matore. Al pe ko tu he o me o te ka ko ka no he ke ko ni he. O te ka ai ke ka no ke ai ke alo ngai ka Olympia ko haia. usi mene ia me feia ke karo kau moia he usi tole patuka ike lau tau me mea sai pe ka ike ha he ka haena na ho hue ule homo ule patuku he sai ule na hu he ne ko ule ka kai ke ka ule ha to ko ha ule ha tama pa me usta pali ai ma ha be ke ai ma ka ha be te ki ko he me ta tole mu he me a he fra pico o sta ka motor ka ha fa family ka time ko mo na usi pe mai ai te ho mai ba ki hala te me mo loto ki ai ki wa fakatanga ko pe ta ko mehikitanga pe ko ha ma tale mo na usi ko yo ke tra ta ko ko ai pe ta me ke sai he ta ko lo le le ai he ma na tu ko la he te ti la he ta pe te ti fa ki la ai ke me ko na and I don't really care about that he la he te ti ko fe pa he me pa na ka fa fe fe o mator ha ko ai ke mator ma ka he me ko ni he o ka ha ko te ka he me ko ni ke ha ko ngo iau he mo ngo ye he fa mo puna o tau to go tau kui he ka ke algo mator ka ke algo tuk mai mo ko ha ke kapet mo ko o tau fa tau ke thole mu fa pipika te mea na usi tapari ai pe mo me me ko na ko me ko e o ngo ya fisi ha fulu ta fimi mi ke mo e fa usi ka ke ilo ha fa fe ya ke fuke ko alko ya ta ke ta ko ha me ke alta ke kiau o ile mama ni au ko ha ko ai me ke ha ala ta la fa ko ha he no la ta hui ma manu al fa ke alu kai ta e so mai ai me ke fuke lo tu ilo ta mo ne foi me ke ilo au o ka mo fe ke ta pari ha ke ta ke he ilo te ta pa ko ta fitnima he fra ta mala ta fitona pa ko te el ta fitu te ngat le ko ni ko fe ke pe pa mator ha kilo limpari na usi ko ha limpari baka ko na lo to fule takai holo no fula itole ona fula ka hai fule ka hai ba ta ta pe fuk mo ko he ko mena ke anga ki ai usta pari ha ke me ko fa tete pe he o ki ha mo ha he usi ari usi kota ta aki mai ko fa ele ka ha ko ne ka fa ele pe ko te ka ke u ho foi fulu taf mi ko sa fa ele ka ke le mai na usta pari mo en feinga ko o limpari feinga ko he ke so ki ai o sta ma ko tu ane ka fa te ri ha ko alo pos ma uta he pa te ai me ko ya ke mahino ka ko na stop calling my brothers he mahana ke ta ko mahana ke fura ko ka naua ka ke il ho bale kai tae o sta ma tu ane ka fa te ri ha me ko ai but na start pe ka ko he o ke ka mai fa brothers ako ku ke he ke na la na tola mata ta ofia all they can do is ask me nicely but I do what the fuck I want to do okay so don't fuck with me like that don't fuck with my family but fure to ta bun sa lalo alfa pipi ke mai ta tu ane alfa pipi ke mai me ka he ope ka fa pipi ke mai fulai man ho fa he tam go na eloi I alfa ka ai me well bitch why you go post Winsah's picture without her consent tu ka bale nga ngau tala mai ka ai loya ah ka receipt ke mausio kai tai ta go ta na pupula u hai fa ma ke mausio ka pa na ka halo ke mausio ka nga mea ke mausio he na start ka ko na all this time I didn't post your picture ka ta mai go tunga ne ke tuku he right now ta mai go tunga ne ke ilo mia pe video na te kai pe ke ta fa ni me to tonge ai hi Billy send me your email because I'm going to send you the video because my brother told me I can go ahead and send whatever I want to. They didn't tell me to put it up, they just said I could do whatever the fuck I want to do because this fucking dumb bitch ain't trying to make anything right. She's still escapalo ala to ta o mea o insang lalo because why you post her picture without her consent. Because me ke itai, see what happened? He sagi he, ko nofo ita, okay, ko mo fakamari, ko he mo fakatfafin ho mari, ke love fakatahana tol and stuff, and you hate it when somebody talk about your mom, and you think it's fucking okay for you to go talk about everybody else and do that? Go ahead, what now? It doesn't feel good, right? Does it feel good when somebody does it to you, right? Yeah, to you and my first cousin, hey. Usta panito le ko na ko tahina ko mehikitanga he foi to gangal ke automatic te el kotoa elo kotoa he not all. I have good mehikitanga ko fa mehikitanga, they're so nice na mga nini, but to the other ones ko na ko na ko na usi mai mo hapa ki lot ki he hapa ke ka tau ke ho nga na ma mo to re tawa ki mo to le me aki sa tamama no ilo but tu ai ki lau fe me ai ke pega ha mo me mau malo mo nofo kana te mo elo po ki luo ka mo ke nofo pe u fale ka ba menimo me fakatole ko mo le ka mato e diso ka ma mato na mga uyo ngai ma te tinga mo mato le ame ki ma nofo ai fangalemu o ba ke mo ingalo fangakila mo ingalo mana te me na mo tupu ai he ko tu ka sikelo holo me ko he fu muy le wa me ha mo sikelo holo mo te matanya ke fangana usilemu e me pe me ko itai And I know you guys, I know this sounds so bad because they are my first cousins, but fuck that, man. Because I'm so tired of family like that, you know? Family like that, I can't stand people like that. Because you would think, got the family, you know, especially me. Man, kung ako, whanau may pek ulema hataha to anybody. Hataha pek family. Man, even pag ako kayo tao naman taha ko ya, I'm gonna come to ohake. But fuck, man, fakakakaya niya masi. Ang ange kay kinang miya ko, manatoon na tole ako ko, toyo tu man magkakay kihe. Man, fuck that family ko ya. Kaya mayo. Fucky, mahame a mon he mata usio. Hoka fa foka te mutu. Fucking I hate people like that. You know, especially like, you know, like, man, this is so fucking personal for me. And I get so emotional, right? But you think about this, right? Man, some of my aunts, fuck, man. I don't even know what kind of family that is, you know. Man, some of them, fuck, man, they say all these fucking ugly, nasty things, you know, like, like, fuck, man, but me, I understand, you know, like, you know how things go, like, pag alam nga tayo, ako aunt or somebody here, man, I would be so angry, they eat a kemou to tako ya he. Sige ta kagay na usinale mo pe, man. It's like my mother died when I was just like, what, a year? And then you think like, kote fanga fafinete tamai, they become like your mother, right? You could gratify it. Man. Then they want to turn around. Then this particular want to go tell people, oh, talk shit, all her shit. Then now her fucking dumbass kids go up and do the same shit. Fuck, man. That's the kind of people I cannot stand. I fucking hate people like that. You know, and that's the very ones, you know. Fure motor mo tu hemo olimpari, mo kama mo olimpari ko ha. He, fangale mo ilo katamaka kayo o ke o maka motor he ope, te hu ma ka mo na to. Ta le ba ate me ko mo hon ko mo to ki ai he. Ka tu le ba ta ai fangale rei, ka kape fure mo motor ha ko ta la tu. Tan ko mate tamai, o si mate ko tape mon he. Kai mai fanga me ana usi ko ni, man. And I don't even really fucking understand the Tongan way. I know enough, you know what I mean? It's like, for me, this is not even a culture thing. To me, it's just, it's you just as a human, right? It's normal. It comes natural that like for me, like if my brother, man, like, you know, like, okay, like my sister, I'm gonna use that, man. I might get off subject because I have so much anger, man, towards my own family, you know, because they fucking act stupid, right? But I'm going to use my sister as an example. My sister that just recently passed away, right? That lived with me. Her and her daughter came and her granddaughter came here and lived with me. They stayed here with me for almost 3 years. A little over 3 years, right? My sister was completely blind, right? Nofo. Me, I took care of her and her granddaughter. So I got to know her and know her granddaughter, right? Now I'm going to when she went back, you know, because my brother and them, she went back over there to Utah. And I don't even care how my own fucking sibling feel about this, because now I'm really on a roll right now, because I'm so emotional and I'm so angry at the same time, right? Thinking of fucking Olympia, then my own fucking first cousin, I'm going to use it as an example, right? Ang gogok tako wano fix ole kio mate pag fix ala ke putu. Ang ako fakakaukau aku he, ang ko fakakaukau aku. E mai kita hine kau or my sister in Utah or my sister in Ukiah, he. So there's 3 of us, he. Mata final to le valau sein bolata. He, ang mo wako ya, he. So ang ako fakakaukau aku, okay, te wala ke putu e mata final e mai le kita hine because that's her only granddaughter. But me, I was thinking along the lines of is that mai tuku ya because okay, you know, but she listens to me, hey? Because when I'm not funny out, it's dress right dress. So everything is like this, hey? So I figured that I might out because I'm the sister, or give it to my sister Lata, or give it to my sister Saini, hey? O sa ko putu, I feel I'm going to come out second cousin, which is good, it's okay, because second cousin. But here's the thing, hey, kaya tawe off ay tahine ko ya, hey, kita hine yaw, that's my sister. Hey, and she listened to me and I know her. So that's where I'm going with this. That's an example of that, hey. From my never first cousin, I go now usma mo Olympia, hey. Yo, and by the way, I forgot that I come for the party, hey. I go to say go hang out tola for the party ana. Go me go now lot of here, hey. Second of coffee my car, going to talk about coffee. Hey, like I said, now lot I can if take you Michael too. Hey. Vamos aquí, hey. Hangé pero fuck you're gonna na fuck hit to this here. So here Lo tonga fai mea ko ni. Ka ka si mea he fanga ka si ni te na ole me ki ai pe ko pe te ole ki ai. I always come do my life oh how live your life mai ka Olympia. Hanga fanga fe o tapari a ko ia ala ko ia tu mai Olympia. Pa ka alpo tu tapu ni hotore ka tago to ai ka lo lau ia. Ai ka talo le mai ko fanga si ni. Mata re mo mata usi. Ko me ko ke te tahu pai ki hala he ko ngata aki a koe o whakatau tu koe mo whaamiri mo mea ko tohe ope he ko I don't give a fuck o ke tanga ki ai ko ofa whaamiri te tima mea he ka ko nau ai ko ke nau whari mai tau whari ta te me ko mo loto ki ai he cause my dad trained me very fucking well. That's right. My dad told me that when he was still alive. My dad said, "Ona te ala tu lolo ke ne family, pane te ala puno ka nau tolu, he? La kan ka ko ala bia kai tai hala ka nau tolu, he? Pa ai ke mahina te ka mo tolu, he? Na uso te mo wa le mai ka to say nothing about me or my family or my cousins or the rest of the Langis, he? Ka mo fure o tapario ka Olympia mo he te tolu Olympia o sta ma wong tunga ne. I can do what I want to do, hey? Because they're tired of waiting for you. Talent and a talent, talent, ke ala ai me kusai, hey? Ko me kon ke holi mai kai. So bitch, you thought na hanga Facebook ka hita paria ki tua, o ke lava ke hu mai, na ke pe ko o se ta feta kai. No, na o start ka koi, he time ko na ala tai mau tu na fakamo. Hey, se ke na lotu. Na lotu e ke ke to mai ka ha fa me kusai. And you know what on in party? Hey, I decided ke ni ki misin fai papa. Bitch, I came back with a sledge fucking hammer, bitch. Ko ku fa ni ko ke tori hotore, he costa mai wong tunga ane, I can do what I want to do. So fuck you bitch, eh? Os pogonite ke soka ki ai. Il ho fure pari, te I can back go tonga and all the patogol, everybody, fuck you guys. If you delete my video, fuck you guys too. I'm gonna put your shit all over the world, eh? Fuck you bitch. Ba ke mo tala ni pot ya me fa Facebook. Ka ha, fa kila mo foi heke, he? Ke foi heke? Ako mo kasi ni, ta hene mehikitanga. Tole rem ya ako eh. He kikila mai pe. Mo fure he vai ke tau ke ai ke sa tau ke he mo fe ke ma mo to ka te ha ko ya ke to ta he ke ki fa ka ta mo to I don't care and what go off but you know when my dad's siblings fana want to act fucking funny I'm funny manatu me tai go pe ha mata mai that's it bitch it's a fucking rap right I told you Olympia I'm coming in with a sledgehammer ai alo fure yo to ta win sa ko fa pipi ke ha pag alo mai futa ko gan te mai tore ho fa e no mutu alo mai fa pipi mai ke sa te ka ke me ko ke he a ko fa pipi mai ko ha ko me filmo to gan e fa ka ko ho me ne ko ha ko pe ko ha me ko ai ho alo post mai ne ta without her consent ata usi mai ne ta ha ke me fa ke ta fa pipi ko ye ya ko ho na le muta kai ho lo wi vale ngau but shame on you se ke ko na investigate ho mali ke tala ko fu video fu de pari tala ko mali I can tala mo ni. Na the pastor asked you, but go hype. And what did you do? You fucking made up a lie. Al ko ya tala ko time ko ya you were vulnerable and you and your husband separated and that was your husband on the other end. Hili ya ko sione ya. Mata usi so hipoka ko e. Si, e ke alfa kai tae kai papa ke alo aka ke me masila. Bitch, what is wrong with you? Ke tala ko fa ka alfa me ko ya. Ai pa ai ke kalama ka sai we ko ke ha blaka ya o ke si asi. He usta pari ka ko e. Na to ko what you supposed to be pani we ko e ki help or whatever whoever mo si asi ke ha fa nga we e ki ha ko fa me ko na kai ta es pa alo fu de pari na usi ta pari kila sai fe la ta pa sai lo pa he toki he ai ke lo ta pu no ta ko ha ko na aya ta pu no ta he ke holi mai ka we ia ko hai pe ni ko fa ya ko fu mi si ni fa si ma ke ma tori ho lemu ke go ino ya mam hen ma tina ta ka ko o sta ka ko he alu ha ke ho fa me usai ka ho pe fu ele ho fa ho ko no te to re mo no ele lo ke fo ke me ke lo tro no mutu he ko de mo ha to na ko fa to ka te ma no lemu u ka te wanga bitch you fucking stupid or what alu ai ho me ke sai ka si to ko ta fa ke no mo ma fe ma re fa to ka ko ha ya mate pe ka ke kala pe no manu fa to ka ko ha ko hanga uanga ka ya ke alfa me ke ko fa more ta pari ai ke ngani na ko na ki ka ko pe ikai he pe da kage ko first class ni he me o se fa ya ko na lana le no ta wai o ska pa ta ka ta auto fi ta auto me fa mai le lo tu ta pari alo meta te nga usta pari ai ke mahina me ke tu ko ki ai ai bona ba kai ko ya accept si ko foi pe pa ho ki lalo he ta pun ta bitch so your mama can feel you turning in her fucking grave, bitch. Well, I like it, yeah. Take I go home, I can hold my car, yeah. Pa ona ke Mary Jane Sky, my sister, baka naghumat heno ay kahau tafu may kau. Tuko fahaw ayo ay my family. He ka mehikitanga mataus ko mo koy. O te ko ka na ke. Al pu ka na tol ko family koy. O start ka ko smart tateti pate mo na tol. Ko na ay mea he. Tawai pe he pe ko no pe ya. He fakapiko ay me ko. Pa tai fate o fa ya ka mai pe hana mai pe siko mai pe he. O fa pe ka siko mai pe. Na usi. O siko mai ni porque fure alo siko fa malo. Alo siko mo tunga ane. Mo ta. Pakai me ko fenga ke u. Foi me agora manatu o sat ka ko te ga te fa ke mai ka we. E ke no tal ko no foi fa mai mani si asi. O stu pe tu si. Pa ko sat ka ko. Te fa ta mal ha ta fit nima, pa te ta fit no pa to ki el ha ta fit fitu. Foi te ga ko ni ko ta ke. O speka ali pari hoko mai ka ko. Ho di mahalo ko ke to lat mo ta fu de pari. Ai mai ta wa ai he. Al ko ya la sai pe ya ngos mahino pe au ya he. Ilo tai mi tau ko hopo tau ko ti kai me tau ko ha. Ai ke tau pa tau ko me fa maman. Ko me na ta mai ki mama ni ki ta mai fai ki tau o ngo mai ne no tau usi. Mahino. Ta ke hape ko ya he. Ho ure taha ho mo ure he ta puno tai ta puno tai. Ma ta mo no to ta puno tai. Na te re mai ka we. Ke atu pe ko mo oni a telefoni pe hono mali ki hono to fefine. O ke pe ko mo oni. Pe oku ni ilo ai mui tawa pia. He ko haloi na mui tau ko e pena hongo fu meu tau. Si. Ta po ko ta tore hen. I mean, even though you know what? Who cares? Ko tau ko me fa mama ni ko to se ne tau ko fa ko fe vale lui he. Ko ke ta ka ka na to e mo hake. He ko e ba na tau me hina ka tau ko na tau ko na go au na fulai. Ako Olympia, awe, ilo meka te ngasena tu mo ai mo email ke mo sio. Mo te se ko na fulai manu, hai ngona fulai pasi, hange ma fulai tapoleni. He po ka hano me fakatonga pe ha me ai. Io, hono fulai manu masi. Pe kita ai ko ben fulai tapoleni me ko na takai ho pe. O te ke hange fulai pasi e me ko ni figota ko ni. Te mo pe mo tapo ka figota e me feia. Ko pa ko tunga ne. Te hanga ate me ke mo sio ai, tama na fase sere. Ko pa na ate mo se te mo pe mo we ka figota e me feia. Pe ko hulani pe ko ha ka ka fa me ko tonga. Hulani pe ko fole ka pe ko to ka me pe ka tahi. Hi Dale. How are you? Yo ko hange ko ya. Dak ta ke tu ke fa o ta pa ni me be ya. How we? See man. Saka tu ka ne ko man, la Sike is on the thing. Hi Sike. How are you brother? Ti hoa ki tua ki he lo tang fa mau lai peli. Ko lai peli ke foi. Tai mana ko limpali. Mo ilo ka mea ko la Sike, mo ilo mi ko hawa tu ke he mo fa tu ane. But this la Sike ko man, that's different. Ko ken pa na to tahani ma he. They're all guys. To ta pe na tu fefine ko alisi. Ai ko wala Sike. Ala Sike mo ko fa o ia ko fa but it's okay ko la Sike ko sai pe because la Sike is like a sister. Ai pag la Sike si o te tokang mai ka ko wa ko hoka ka ben langi. O pe he pa ka si dia no pe he. Pag sai pe ilo ka mo ka ta ka mo to ilo mata mo hako o mo pe ma to because you know us and our brothers o mo we fa fa ngofua o ko sa mo nofo because you know what, we get to share our problems with them and stuff, but not everything, only me, I'm just small to here. But anyways, I don't know if la Sike is still watching, but if he is, la Sike fratulot pe ka ko fahu, but to ko siya tao ke next to your sister Mary Jane Sky tulu a kefi wenti mo me mo tol gona mo mai ko mo ta mo mo tunga mo fa na mai pe ka live pe sai pe ya ka ko ta na ka olimpari os ta ma mo tunga ne ka fa i te ri ha me wa i pa te hanga na fa hi ko ta fa hi pe ni ke ngo he ha ko ta la tu na to ke algo to kanga ho fa u fi ata no futore a ko na ha mai ko ki tu a he ka ko ha ke mo ma to nga fa fe ya ai ke fa ho lau pa ai ke al fra ilo winsa tapali ko fa risiti ai ma risiti ke so ki ai ma ke so ki ka to ilo e pe me ka to mo pe kai Stella kata bagana Stella ko la Sike ko brother me la Sike we're brothers me I'm a brother like tu la Sike you know it's okay but anyways sai pe ka tu pe la Sike tu pagod hamba fa tau ke he pa pe ka to ta tau to ki pe fakakau ka ko fuga ta na ka Olympia pa mo foi ti sta la Sike ko foi first class ni pe fa ai mo fu me ako ya so ke fa lo to ka fa me ari tu mai mo Olympia a ba ho ria ke hanga to la mo ne ta fu re ana ai ke se mama man Olympia ala fa me fa fikau ke ngan ko fa fikau ka tu ko anga nga puli pe he fa se sere Fehuia te mea egat ka koe pe hai na mo video. He foi live ko kana hanga sen ke fai fekau. O sa fokau ya ai ko tane u mea fure pari au ke mea ave e au. Pasaki he the video that I sent ko ia ne ko fai ko he fure ka hanga fusia na record at o kula ka ki asima mata sia na but he's talking right. Ko fe ko e ke ma ko he mea ke e ka ko hai mea talangi ke ko ne mari sa talangi ka na separate na taimi na naki mavai na naki mavai ai but and she was vulnerable and her husband that's how they communicate he. Ko fe te tama mea I think the guy thought, the pastor thought, like, what am I? I'm so dramatic. I won't leave this lady alone, right? No, I was right. I'm not trying to tell you how to do your job, but I'm frustrated because I feel like you don't believe me. But here's what you can do. The two fakakau that they help you translate. That's not her husband. Yeah. But that's all I can tell you. Either that or you should have discernment. You should know as a fakakau, if you're doing the Lord's work, you have a connection. You should feel it whether it's right or wrong, whether it's true, it's not. And I send him all the uta, right? And every weekend, I see Alan Marie Farahu. Hotel no Hasailopa Mimiai, our Hemio Mimiai. Hawatio mimiai, sige kakai ko na ma mimiai, fere akakai mo ne fai pe fule pali, ilo fai kakai o pau elo tu, ha pe ke o mai ha expose o me fai, sa ke ilo, sa ke sarap ga ngutu, ko longo pa na te me yo ta pun hotai, tu ai ke fe kafi, ke ta ai ke alfa ka ilo. Usilemo, o sta ka ko femea, fa mo mai ko tamai alfa ilo, o sta ka ko olimpari. Te ora kanga tuki ko te tai ka pata to ka fai hopo to kanga biai he te pata wi alo hopo and you know what all I have to do is community service and pay a fine and then I come home. What the fuck they gonna do? And then every time I see kanga tuki ko o staka ko o spahia ya ko fai ga to onga ai to ai na usi mai bo first kasi na ko na ko me a ko ai mehikitanga usta pari mo ko ai ko ke fenga ai ko ke sai ko he ko o se nei mahalo o sen ko hokat ka ko ai ke alko ka mo olimpari ko haia ko ha olimpari. Teka nga ko Olympia ya mata usi mata remu. You know what you did, bitch? You just showed me who you really are. You just showed me that I don't mean shit to you. That even though your mom and my dad are brothers and sisters, you just showed me how fucked up you are. So you know what, bitch? Fuck you too, bitch. Because I'm gonna do. You watch. You next. You're next. You fucking dumb bitch. What the fuck did I do to you? What the hell did I do to you? Ta ko fo la ta fu me dem fu ala fai ai ke alo ai idea mai usta pari elo pego ko kiba fakat ka ko tu ko fa hu al ko ma kuri ko pala no usi alo fa pe ka ko fa ya mal to fu re ke pe ka kai ke alo fa na fa tu ane ke pe ka ke ha ko fa ma to ka mo si sa pe usna remu pe he sai he lo to le rei he manatu ko smate te ti tai na mata na mo elo pe mo to re ke mahila ka ko mo fa mata us mata rem. I can make my I can connect. My sister Mary Jane Scott, she always do that. I can connect ke kota fakahoko flying mama. Na us ito ka tawag ay may fa me ako ya. I love lele. Tapon hotai. Tapon hotai. Right now we only have one mehikitanga left and I love her to death. She lives in Utah. Her name is Anaika. That's my dad's only living sister left out of my dad and all his 12 siblings, right? I love her. That aunt of mine, oh my gosh, if I have to tell you guys, then you guys are gonna know which one I'm talking about. Fuck it. Fuck. But anyways, yeah, I don't know. See, I get lost when I think about things like that because to me, family's so precious. You know, your family's supposed to be there for you, right? And I'm the kind of person, like, if somebody says something about my family, my Langi family, even though if I don't talk to that cousin of mine or what, that's still to me, I feel it because we're family, you know? Hoto se ne ka kai na usi pehe. Fai na kia na topa ke na lona to ma ke. He? Ka to asa me apa na lona to le tu mai mo ka kai ke he. Fanga mata nemu. Fanga na usi. Mo no fa me pe me ako ke itai ko lawat ka mo to lu he. He ko ilo pe nga fa to ngata mai si sta ko ke sai. Ko ke sai me ako ya. I can ilo me ako heard my brothers man they you know they're fucking full of shit too those guys. I can me ako oh we have to be this our answer. The fuck cares? Who are they? They're human just like me and you. The fuck? This is America. Bitch, I'm a United States citizen right here, baby. Right here. So I don't do all that stuff. I don't do it. Only if I want to do it, then it's going to be okay. Hingo, nofo. Iyo, Ko ni pari ko mo ule, lo ahe ule. Ai pe ko ia. Lo ahe ule ma fure atore. Ko ni mami fu na ma fure ma atore. But you know what? Even if she's my aunt, the family ma but I don't give a fuck. Even her, that fucking LOS bitch. Lati fai toka kake. Saki he. How pe de malaho ko mai pe ke tahi ne he. Saki he Olympia. Man. Ma happen na pe ho fai to her mom. Ai ma ko mo fu me mala ia mo family. Tete ma ko elo mo manu he time fai elo. Kaya peke elo whakalere ka elo koka pa tete mai hope mai tore hope mai mafungutu. Okay, I send my email. Okay. And when okay. At pagani, you know, I'm gonna go post all her shit. I'll post. But I'll report it like me. Hey, to report myself. You and my first cousin. Mo report ka mo sa mehikitanga. Okay, kasi I pay si Loy. Kaya te humay peso mali. Te humay kita ke. Eh, o nga na ale mo. Eh, mo fed up hangin mafu papafo hangin my god. So. Okay, so my email too. Okay. Anyways, guys, fuck man, sige eh. I don't know man. What the fuck my? Then I have to go back to ngaahi, but I have to come and do my live. But Olimpari manat when I was stuck ako see. I didn't send the picture because my brothers told me, you know. Ako baby at pekia. Was fa yung tungan niya na tama na gaw. They said, ay mabalang ngaw. Ko tali patek my food has on tayo. My brothers didn't talk like that. They said, "Kofet, I think I'll find him." Ko pala ko fate telephone. Koya. First time I met the fang me a food party. I told my brother, "The hang asenat ko mo kalapu ko Yules." My brother live in Yules in Texas. Tabi ko, "Baka na ko pati ay tanga ay kemou siya ko tanya ka kay. Os ka pa ngasen ke kalap ko my brother malmalu ko bye. In Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm gonna send you all the kalapu and the one over here in Seattle. And I'm gonna send everywhere so everybody can see you. Iyo, I cannot see you. Iyo Stella, hey, I cannot see her food party. Toksin masi, hey, you know something? Wow, I see vagina every day at work. Kung toksin ay party, nikalas ka heke. Mga kita ay man, huwag ka kasi na akong gimahif pehe. Fulay me o rin party, o ano yung tufa ka pehe. That's why I cannot stand her. I cannot stand her. And I'm so hurt at my cousin for doing that to me, you know? But that's okay. But on my time. This time on my time. Because I'm so hurt. I'm angry. I'm hurt. Because, you know, everybody talks, you know? People talk. People find out things. And so, anyways, guys, I have to eat my my lunch before ko ngaahi. So I'm so fakahoko. That's a healthy lunch. Pavita and oikos yogurt. Olympari, siya ka hoko basta ka ko how I milk sai, kagagi ke how I fakalere mai sai. Tali ko hena kasi ustamay kung tungane ka fa tali ko mia. They didn't tell me to post your stuff. They didn't. But I'm gonna take that as when they say fa tali ko, that means I can do what I want to do. O sinatene we ke fiha. So gihe kaya how my Facebook ko akahya gitu kay pegi ka I milk sai. I go how I might, but my daughter had a birthday. Apa mo uhay ay may tahine kakon ocean the fucking ngaahi Olympari manatwe ay may ako nag-decide. And to my cousin, bitch, you better get it together, because right now I'm not in a fucking mood for your shit. Anyways, guys, send me your email. I will send you guys the pictures right now, all of it, and I'm gonna go post it on all the page, on everyone's page, not on my page because then haya to talau, but I'm gonna page it on all the different group. Anyways, I love you guys and I miss you guys and I need to go to work because I'm running late. Bye.